Very good day to all you OJ traders. Lord J once again. Just sharing with you a quick market recap of all the trades that I executed last week going into this week. Like I always explain to you guys, I always keep my trading very simple. I trade off extreme highs and extreme lows. I try to find them, wait for them to play out one of two patterns, either a head and shoulder or an inverse, double top or double bottom, and then I scale down to the 15-minute maker template and I find or pinpoint a precise entry there. So yeah guys, this is CAD CHF, which I took last week at 0.05. For me, I like this kind of lot sizes because I can always scale in more trades if I see the trade is going my way. So let's just have a look at 15 minutes. See, I'm looking for another entry point for another sell. Probably gonna go in at 0.10 if it's going to go my way. Just looking for another bounce of the Mayo. So on this pair, I'm looking for it to play its way down back to this support line over here, guys. So yeah, that's the CAD CHF which I took last week. For that one, I'm really confident. As it moves further down, I'm just gonna trail it with my stop loss into profit. So yes guys, let's have a look at another trade that I took. There we go, the AUD CAD. As you can see guys, all I do is I just go to H4, zoom my screen out, and then I've got a clear picture of what's happening. Guys, just look at point number 3. See point number 3, if you go to your daily chart, this is actually a spike. So this gives me a surety, or I'm quite confident enough that the trend line is fairly accurate. As you can see, it's trending nicely on the down scale. For me, this is an extreme low point, going back all the way to the 9th of February. So here, I'm quite confident that the price is gonna go back up to test this point right over here. So you can, as you can see, guys, 0.05. I'm looking to scale in now. When I go to 15 minutes, there we go guys, look at this. There's the 5200 EMA crossing. Once that's crossed guys, the next day all I'm waiting for is one hit or two hits on the Mayo, and that's where I go in big on this trade guys. So yeah, that's just one of the pairs. Let's see, which other ones did I look at guys? Okay, let's go to the Euro pairs. I think I went in on the Euro AED. No, okay, this is the one that I just analyzed last. If you check my previous video, you would have seen that I anticipated that it was gonna bounce off this resistance point and going down. As you can see, it did exactly that. So now on the 15-minute chart, I see that there's a 5200 crossing. I'll just see tomorrow if it gives me a nice setup along the Mayo. And let's have a look at the Euro CAD. Same thing guys, I did anticipate that it's gonna go back up again after I saw the precise entry on the 15-minute. There we go, there's the crossing, there's the hit one. Oh wow, wait a minute, this actually looks like a nice setup as it's happening. There's one, there's another W hit on the Mayo. Oh, this looks like a good trade. This looks like a good trade guys. 0.05, that's my lot size guys. I can handle the heat. Anything goes against me, I can handle the heat, and I can scale in big time using this. So here, just gonna execute another trade. Probably looking to take it back up to this 800 EMA. So in terms of using big lot sizes guys, I am very selective as to when I go big or when I don't go big. So I just don't trade anyhow. I'm very selective in terms of that. So guys, yeah, Euro CAD. So I'm expecting this to go back up, test or break this. I'll see how it plays out tomorrow. But if anyway, when I go up to the bigger time frame, which is coming back to that spike, I'm more or less expecting it to go reach this point of resistance right here. I use this point, it looks like a very strong resistance point, as you can see there. So if it reaches that, it's probably going to give me a nice setup of a trend line going down. So yeah, I'll wait for that one to play out here guys. Wow, I didn't see that trade. Okay, I'll see how it plays off. be watching that one fairly carefully. If it comes back down, I'll probably scratch myself out, but if it goes my way, hey, I'm still in the money. So yeah, let's just tick that one off. Let's see, guys, which ones did I have a look at? KJPY, did you have a look at that? What's happening there? Nope, there's no action happening with that. Let's see what else did I look at, guys. Let's see. Let's move on, guys. The market waits for no man. As you can see, guys, my style of trading, guys, is fairly straightforward. As you can see, I've got USD CAD H4, and then followed by the 15-minute chart. So yeah, guys, in my previous video I mentioned that, hey, this was a nice setup. A B, which is a strong support, prices broke it, giving me a head, and around this point, immediately when it broke here, I'm on my 15-minute chart, and on my 15-minute, guys, it gives me a nice setup. As you can see, there's the 5200 EMA crossing, and I just wait for prices to give me some form of bounce off the Mayo. There was the bounce in long again, and then there was another bounce on the Mayo, very similar to the previous trade that I just took now, going long. So that was the good setups. So yeah, guys, that was another brilliant setup. So looking at another setup, let's see what else I can look at. Let's see what the euros. Let's look at the GBP pairs, guys. Let's look at the GBP pairs. GBP JPY. Man, a friend of mine, Mr. Tools, is one of the students at the OJ, the one that I told you about, just drew $1,000. We missed this trade, guys. He was short somewhere along this point, but the problem is he went in slightly heavy. So rather be safe than sorry. Close the trade only to find that going into the London session just dropped in our favor. So there was another missed opportunity. So yeah, guys, that's lots charts once again. So yeah, if you have any charts that you'd like me to look at, or you want me to have a quick analysis of any pairs, I'll be more than happy to do so. Other than that, that's me signing out.